Yep, that's me, trying to win a match of pro boxing. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
It all started 9 years ago, with little Mike losing a match of Taekwondo. And after losing in competitions for 3 years in a row, he was so miserable that he quit the sport. But I am tired of living with the knowledge that I'm a loser. So earlier today I signed up to compete in a professional boxing match to make 9-year-old Michael's dreams come true. And as the match will take place in exactly 16 days, I need to get to work. Oh, I know something I can use as a boxing bag. Excuse me? Would you like to join me to find a boxing bag?
Hey, let's go.
I think she has other interests, but we can do it together. Come with me. Oh, here it is. It's basically my dad's old punching bag, and it's honestly quite dusty. It seems like it hasn't been used for ages. Let's find a place for it, and let's start training. It's pretty heavy. Now we have a boxing bag. Kind of hurting my hands. Here I have my old boxing gloves. You know, they are really small as I used them when I was a kid. But you know, it's not about the size, it's about how you use it. Right, baby?
Yes, right, okay.
But as we have so little time left, I don't think we will be able to win with just hard work. I think we need to work smart. We need a plan. Though, I don't think I'm smart enough to come up with the most optimal plan. But there are basically a few companies who probably have spent millions developing their program, and I think I can copy one of their plans. I'm basically talking about
The stats of a boxing video game. So my plan, which technically isn't my plan, is to start working on my strength, stamina, speed and health. Alright, let's start working on the first one.
I have an idea how I can build my back strength quickly, as back strength is so important in boxing. Every day I'm going to do as many pull-ups as I can, like max out every time. So yeah, I'm trying to make my training as fun as possible so I can do as much of it as possible. Okay, let's see how many pull-ups I can do right now. Maybe I should warm up first. Okay. Ooh, my muscles are burning. 9, 10. Oh. What was it? 10? The last one didn't count. It was healthy, baby, healthy. See you the next time I'm training. Alright guys, I think it's time to go running. But this outfit ain't doing it for me. What the hell is this? This is not definitely what I was flipping for. Let's try again. Though there is one thing missing. Yep, that's better. This thing is literally a lifesaver. I would just really recommend it if you're a runner. Basically my stamina build consists of firstly 10 minutes of intense running. I think I'm doing great now. And then I will be doing running over there. So basically lots of stairs, lots of explosiveness. Alright, I'm going to go down from these stairs. Yeah, let's go, let's go, let's go. I'll sit down for a second and drink some water. Alright, I'll continue training. It's tiring. It's so tiring. My head is hurting a bit. You know, it doesn't matter. My head's going to be hurting a lot worse when someone punches me like here. Then it's going to be hurting. Right now, it's nothing. Alright, I'll do 3 more of these and then I go run with my friend. I feel like I'm going to puke. I'm not feeling well. Not well at all. The head is really hurting. But tomorrow I will be okay. Tomorrow I'll be okay. I'll keep pushing. All right. I finished training there and now I'm going to meet my friend and we are going to do some chill, steady running.
Wow. I brought the boxing equipment for Michael to train him.
Very unexpectedly.
Yes.
I did not ask of it. Thank you, bro.
Anytime.
All right, our training has ended. Health, health, health. What the hell does it even mean? I don't feel like following this video game's plan is the smartest idea anymore. I think firstly we need to learn how to box, and secondly, as we have only half a month to prepare, we need to increase our recovery times. So to recover from earlier training, let's go to sauna. And here I am, just sitting here in a hot sauna. I'm not even sure if everyone knows what sauna is. I kind of feel like maybe it's just an Estonian thing to sit in. Let me know in the comments if you know what sauna is and if you like it or not. I do really like sauna. Firstly, it's super beneficial for like muscles and all that stuff. Secondly, it gives me like a high feeling. You get high and it's healthy. What else would you want from life? Yeah, that was heroin. That's why sauna makes me high. And right after sauna, I took a cold shower to really boost my recovery times. I'm also going to eat high protein diet, because protein is basically like a material which my body uses to build and repair my muscles. I'm going to show you a life hack to sneak in protein to any of your meals. Let me show you my problem. I was doing this jar soup. In this whole jar there is like 5 grams of protein in it, which is not enough. My life hack is tuna. I'll put a jar of it in there and boom, I'll have 40 grams of protein. Well, cheers, let's taste it. Literally it tastes like normal soup. Tuna might be disgusting at first, but once you get used to the smell, it will just become a really great source of protein. After yesterday's running and boxing training, I feel sore as hell. My calves are really hurting, like it even hurts to walk. So, I have muscle plasters. I got them for my birthday, so I'm going to try them out. Let's try it out. It kind of isn't sticking, like... Okay, whatever. That's a bit disappointing, but I have another solution. I also have this thing. Whenever my muscles are sore, it will really reduce it, and also when my joints or anything is just hurting, I'll just put it on there and it magically fixes all the pain. About like that much. I have an idea. My right leg is going to get this one and my left leg is going to get that one. So I'm probably just going to tape it around my calves. I'll get myself an assistant and some tape. See ya.
Give me your bag.
Like this one makes my muscles warm and this one makes them cold. We'll see which one works better. I would say that they both worked. And surprisingly, the muscle plasters worked even a little better, which means that my body is recovered. Let's go training. So today when I was sparring, I felt quite weak. I felt quite slow. So I did some research and I found out that creatine is perfect for boxers. It will improve recovery speed, it will improve strength, and it will improve speed. And these things are exactly what I need right now. It kind of tastes like sand. If I don't see things, I don't realize that they exist. So this thing I'm going to put right over here, so I won't forget to take creatine.
Another thing which I found out while sparring is that my nose is easy to bleed.
Alright, let's go and burn the heck out of my nose so it won't bleed during the tournament. Let's go.
The procedure which I was about to go through is called nose cauterization. So basically my nose vessels were poked with this chemical stick. The procedure was relatively painless. It felt like someone was picking my nose. I wonder why.
Alright, next destination, boxing gym. Let's go.
This time while sparring, I started to feel smarter and more strategic, yet I still didn't feel like I could win a professional boxing match. So I kept training day and night, eating protein like a horse, taking creatine like a drug addict, and doing max pull-ups every morning like a maniac. I was shadowboxing every chance I got, and instead of watching Netflix, I studied boxing legends. I was determined, I was focused, and I was hungry to win. Until finally, I ran out of time.
We have to go.
But tomorrow's my fight, and this is my morning routine before the fight. Roll my morning routine. Bet you all guys wanna see my body transformation. Let's see what progress I have made. I don't know. I feel bigger. Also we did the thing where I do everyday pull-ups. So let's see how many pull-ups I can do today. Woo. 17, not bad. This shows that consistent work will get you results.
Because 16 days ago I was only able to do 10 pull-ups.
Usually the second thing I do in the mornings, I put Emofix in my nose. This prevents my nose from bleeding, and it's especially important today, as today we're fighting. So my nose needs to be as moist as possible. And yeah, done. Let's get dressed. This guy wants some food.
So basically I feed my cat and dog and replace their water. And then I celebrate my little wins.
Now I gotta pee.
And then I start brushing my teeth.
Our fish hands so I can simulate this side of my brain.
And after that I use my advanced techniques to clean my mouth and face.
Now I feel alive. In my morning routine, I take some creatine. Today I'm going to take it with water. Taking a shit is a crucial part of my morning. Usually I poop after I have eaten. Today I happen to shit before I ate, which is weird, unusual.
And then I started making myself oatmeal.
To my oatmeal, I add some cinnamon, a bit of salt, like this much of cardamom, and a teaspoon of sugar. We are basically out of oats. As my dad didn't have oatmeal either, we're going to make some rice flake kind of thing here.
And this is how my rice porridge looks like.
I really can't motivate myself to eat this. Like food feels disgusting right now. But I gotta push it into myself. Like from the mouth. I have kind of ignored thinking about the fight. Now when I was thinking it and imagined how it would be like, you know, a little anxiety started to kick in. I'm a bit nervous and I feel like I need to take another shit. So I got an idea that I need to warm up before the fight. So I'm going to run there.
I think I'm warmer up. Let's go box.
I walked into the main boxing hall. It buzzed with excitement. At first, it felt a bit awkward having two camera guys following me, but I quickly forgot about it as my attention shifted to other matters, particularly Ivan, the guy I was going to face in the ring. From that moment on, time passed so quickly that I barely had time to warm up before I had to start putting on my boxing gear. I wrapped my hands, secured the helmet and gloves, and just as I was about to put in my mouthpiece, it was time for me to step into the ring. When the fight started, something was wrong. I wasn't there mentally, I was somewhere far away in my thoughts. I felt paralyzed, as most of my punches didn't even reach him, and the ones that did felt weak. Meanwhile, Ivan was beating my ass. Every punch he landed sent me mentally even further. When all of a sudden, the first round was over. I drank some water and was told something about technique when it was time to face Ivan once again. This time I was present and focused. I thought I got it. Despite my confidence, I found myself unable to land any punches. Ivan, on the other hand, landed one shot after another to my face. But somehow I still survived the second round, and I wasn't ready to give up. So I stood up and agreed to the third round. This fight wasn't about winning anymore. It was just a play between two boys, and it was a wholesome play. I was asked whether I wanted to continue, and I shook my head.
Stop.
That day, Ivan was clearly a better boxer than I was, and that's okay. I'm happy for him. With me losing this boxing match, I learned that it's not important to compete with others. What actually matters is whether you conquer yourself. Because the fact that I did the thing I wanted to, but was scared to do, turned out to be far more meaningful than winning would have ever been.